Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make poster in Canva, and here's how it is done. Sign up or log in. Go to Canva and log in or sign up for a free account. Create a new project. On the Canva homepage, click on Create a Design and search for poster to get the ideal dimensions. Choose a template. Canva offers thousands of customizable poster templates. Browse through their library and pick one that suits your theme, whether it's for events, promotions, or educational purposes. Customize the design. Text. Replace placeholder text with your content. Use fonts, adjust sizes, and play with colors for readability. Images. Upload your own photos or choose from Canva's library of free and premium images. Graphics. Add icons, shapes, or illustrations to enhance the design. Adjust layout. Align elements using Canva's grid lines for a clean and balanced look. Download and share. Once satisfied, click share and download your poster in PNG, PDF, or JPG format. With Canva's drag and drop tools, you can easily create a visually appealing poster for any purpose, even without design experience. And that is everything you need to know about how to make poster in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.